Hi friends, welcome back my channel Unity Car. This isn't just any BMW, this is the real beast from BMW, the 2025 M340i, and it will blow your mind. One look at its face and it feels like the future has been forced into the present. And the best part, the magic of this machine doesn't end at its looks, its price will shock you too. Here's a hint, you might get it for less than half the actual price. But we'll reveal the real price only to those who watch this video till the very end. And we promise, you won't feel like skipping a single second of this video. And if you're a car lover, join the channel today, because explosive reviews like this are only found on Unity Car. Let's begin with the design of this beast. The 2025 BMW M340i has redefined what design truly means. From the front, it looks like a panther ready to hunt, aggressive, muscular, and absolutely dominant. BMW's signature kidney grille is now bolder than ever. This time, it comes with a gloss black finish that takes its sporty character to the next level. The laser LED headlights look like eyes that can find their way even in total darkness. Moving to the side profile, the coupe-style roofline gives this car an aerodynamic edge. And the 19-inch M-Lite alloy wheels make its presence even more lethal. Every line, every crease on the body looks like the mark of a true sculptor, pure sculpted perfection. And from the rear, those tail lights can set the night on fire. The quad exhaust system and rear diffuser prove that this isn't just for show, it's a real performance machine. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood lies a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine, delivering 382 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.1 seconds. This isn't a sedan, it's a legal rocket made for the streets. And its history, just as impressive. BMW's M series has always been a symbol of performance and precision. And the M340i is a modern masterpiece of that legacy. Such design, such power, and such charisma, you won't find all of this in any other sedan. And the most special part, like we said at the start, you might get it for a price you can't even imagine. So drop a comment below and tell us, what do you think is the real price of this beast? And yes, every comment will get a reply, your voice matters on Unity Car. We're eagerly waiting to read your thoughts. And if you love cars the way we do, then don't forget to subscribe, because here, every video isn't just information, it's an experience. Unity Car, where every car becomes a story. Goodbye and take care.